Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you are going through your Webflow website, but you are currently asking on how to actually enable memberships in Webflow in 2026. So in today's small tutorial, I'm gonna talk on how to actually do so. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to access Webflow. By opening your favorite browser, webflow.com, tap on this link. Then log in on this window using your email address and password to access your website or the dashboard generally. So for example, we are here on this dashboard. They're gonna ask you to select one of your websites. So for example, we are basically using this one or this one, it depends on you. You're gonna go through these settings. So we're gonna go to the settings of this website. We have plans before even going to every other detail. They're gonna tell you all such projects are on such a plan. You can upgrade your plan whatsoever. So you basically need a plan. For example, you upgrade to CMS. Then we're gonna go all the way down. So supercharge your site with ad zone if you want to. Advanced collaboration, enterprise 3D scale, and all of these options that you can get when you actually subscribe to their basically plan. So after being fully done, you're gonna go all the way to access the memberships. Turn it on, then create a membership plan and restricts pages if needed. Then publish your site using this publish button and you are basically live. And that's it, so thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.